I think most of us would have quite early on heard this thing of avoid pushing and crashing and being more stable. I'd heard that long before I joined the program, but actually what I thought was holding back wasn't holding back. I was still going way beyond my max every day just because my max seemed so low. So it was so easy. Like if I went for, I used to run like half marathons and stuff. So if I was doing a park walk for an hour, I would be like, oh, I'm being really relaxed. I would just come home feeling nauseous and like I was about to collapse. But, I thought that was the relaxing thing to do until I realized that's not the case. And actually pushing and crashing, you have to go way back. Yeah.
Way back, but also it allows for more consistency.
Well, exactly. And again, that mindset shift, right? Of kind of to what Charlie was saying, learning how to reframe things. So like it wasn't going backwards. It was going forwards by doing less, which wasn't going backwards at all. And it was, trusting that if I did that for a little while, then eventually I would get back to where I wanted to be.
I see so many people struggle with this. It can take them months to get to this mindset shift of actually realizing that, hey, because you're wasting months and months and months by not actually just doing it and by sabotaging yourself back and forth and, oh, but I don't know, oh, what if? No, if you commit fully and do less is more, but way more consistently, which means you're going to progress faster, you're actually going to get there quicker.